timu ya Bushenyi niye bandize kuteba umupira gwahiza kutandika kandi yabatera gora ya kabiri mu dakika ya 39 no kwishweka cyo kubanza kuwecebe mbere na gori biraharyemwe. Timezi nezogaruka mu kwatana ahasande biro binabyo kwezi kwa 8 muri Bushenyi okutoranamo timezi razana umusema finals.
Performance nawasa kuperformingaje konka tukasa kuperformingaje timu yawe itasingiye so nzajyanye Teresa nibuka mwasa kongera kuyamba mununga timu basino byo gukora.
Good enough, God has helped us to winning the first leg, second leg in soon we are preparing to be a point success.
Ahabwa TV West and Elias Ratugusa.